Hello Golden Eagles. I wanted to give you a week 3 guide for the Singapore math. So let's start on page 120. The first problem says 5 girls share a pizza equally. So we're going to take one pizza and split it into 5 equal parts. So we have our total parts, 5, divided by 5 girls equals 1 piece of pizza. So each girl is going to get 1 out of 5 pieces of pizza. 1/5 of a pizza. Let's go on to page 121. Letter A says 4 girls now share 3 pizzas equally. So we're going to take the same idea. We're going to split each pizza into 4 equal pieces. Now we have a total of 12 pieces of pizza. We're going to divide that by the number of girls, 4, and then we can see that they each get 3 pieces of pizza. However, when it says each girl will get blank of a pizza, it isn't going to be 3/12 because each pizza is only broken up into 4 pieces. So each girl is going to get 3/4 or quarters of a pizza. That can be a little tricky, so let's try letter B as well. 7 boys share 6 cakes equally. I don't know why 6 boys need 7 cakes, or 7 boys need 6 cakes, but they're getting it anyway. So 7 boys share 6 cakes equally. We need to get our total amount first. So if we split the 6 cakes into 7 pieces each, we first have to do 6 times 7, which is 42, and then divide that by the number of boys, 7. 42 divided by 7, we know is 6. So each boy will get 6/7 of a cake because each cake was divided into 7 pieces. Now let's look at letter C and D on the bottom of the page. This is where they're trying to trick you. 4 divided by 9. Now we know sometimes we can make fractions simpler, like we talked about last week. 3 divided by 9, we know we can turn into 1/3. 4 divided by 9, they have no numbers that they can both be divided by. So 4 divided by 9 is simply going to be 4/9. Let's go on to page 122. Filling in the blanks on a number line. Now the first thing we have to look at is how many blanks we have. Then what we want to do is imagine there's a blank here. So we would have 3 spaces. 1, we know, is equal to 3/3. So knowing that, we can fill in the blanks with all thirds. First we'd have 1/3, and then 2/3, and then 3/3, or 1. Let's move on to page 123. So now, 4 girls are sharing 5 pizzas equally. Now these girls have had a lot of pizza already. I don't know why they need 5 more, but we're going to give it to them. So we're going to do the same thing that we did over here. We divide each pizza up into 4 equal pieces. We then count the total, 20, divided by the number of girls, 4, and we're going to see that each girl gets 5 pieces of pizza. They were really hungry that day. We then take the amount the girls have, just like before. They have 5 out of the total amount of 1 pizza, which was 4. Now that might look a little funny. We haven't seen this before. But 5/4 is the same as saying 5/4. It's just showing that they're having more than 1 whole pizza. Now let's look at page 124. The first one we already know how to do. One child eats 1/5 of a chicken pie, another eats 3/5. We know to add them together, the denominator stays the same. So instead, we're going to look at number 2. Now, I've given you guys a treat by drawing for you 20 perfect cupcakes. So Holly bought 20 cupcakes. She gave 1/4 of them to Lulu. How many did Holly give to Lulu? So we need to know what 1/4 of the total 20 equals. So to find 1/4 of 20, we're just going to divide 20 by 4. 20 divided by 4, we know, is 5. So Holly gave Lulu 5 perfect cupcakes. Very, very valuable, priceless. I hope that helps to explain the rest of the problems for you. You can come back to this video at any time and pause it anywhere you need to get the help you need to explain the rest of the problems. I hope you're all having a great time with your family. You're staying safe, you're reading a lot, and I can't wait to see you. Please send in your videos so we can hear from you. And if you watch the Silver Sparrows video, you can take part in the competition that we'll be doing with them as well. We'll see you soon.